Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 show desktop not working or missing in taskbar. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Right-click Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, Personalization. Click Taskbar, click Taskbar Behaviors. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show the desktop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.